Welcome to our quick guide on how to allow everyone to add new groups to your WhatsApp community. If you're looking to make your community more collaborative and give all members the power to create new groups, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version to access all the community features. Once you're in, look for the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. It's right there alongside your Chats and Calls tabs. Now tap on that Communities tab. You'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the one you want to modify and give it a tap to open it up. This will take you to the main page of your chosen community. Here's where the magic happens. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 little dots. These dots are your gateway to the community settings. Go ahead and tap on them, then select Community Settings from the drop-down menu. You're almost there. In the community settings, you'll see various options to customize your community. Look for the Who Can Add New Groups setting and tap on it. This will bring up a new screen with 2 options. Finally, select Everyone from the list. By choosing this option, you're giving all members of your community the ability to create and add new groups. It's a great way to encourage participation and let your community grow organically. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp community settings to allow everyone to add new groups. This simple change can make a big difference in how your community interacts and evolves. Remember, you can always change this setting back if needed. Happy community building.